Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews of the latest gadgets and gizmos on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of robotic vacuum cleaners with the Narwal Freo. This sleek device promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine with its vacuuming and mopping capabilities. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First impressions matter, and the Narwal Freo certainly makes a statement with its modern design and intuitive features. Setting it up was a breeze, and within minutes, it was ready to tackle the dust and grime lurking in my home. One of the standout features of the Narwal Freo is its versatility. Not only does it vacuum with precision, but it also mops, leaving your floors sparkling clean. Plus, with its long battery life, it can cover a large area on a single charge, making it perfect for homes of all sizes. Controlling the Narwal Freo is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly app. You can schedule cleanings, adjust settings, and even create custom maps for different areas of your home. It's like having a cleaning assistant right at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about the base station. This innovative feature not only charges the Narwal Freo but also cleans and dries its mop heads, ensuring they're ready for the next cleaning session. Plus, the LCD touchscreen adds a touch of convenience, allowing you to control the device without the app. But of course, the most important question is, how well does the Narwal Freo clean? Well, I put it to the test on various floor surfaces, from hardwood to carpet, and the results were mixed. While it excelled in mopping, its vacuuming performance left something to be desired, especially in carpeted areas. In conclusion, the Narwal Freo is a feature-packed robotic vacuum cleaner that offers convenience and versatility. Its mopping capabilities are top-notch, and the app integration adds an extra layer of convenience. However, its mediocre vacuuming performance and lack of an auto-emptying dustbin may be drawbacks for some users. That's it for today's review of the Narwal Freo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!